at that, cutie pie! Happy birthday, boy! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Chum Chum! Let's go! It's Chopper's birthday, and I'm just gonna record memory vlog. I bought him a headband. Feel ko ang comfortable si Zara, pero like ang option dito kay bundle man go, tapos masayang kung it'll be a waste if I buy a bundle of cup. I was planning to buy a hat, but they only sell those in bundle. And it would be a waste if I buy a bundle when Chopper's the only one who would wear it. Besides, I'm gonna be the only one who's celebrating it. I was planning to invite my friends, but they're busy. It's my day off. So yeah. Here's the main dish for us. Lechon manok. It'll be too much, and I bought some lasagna because Chopper like lasagna. Meh, I don't know. And then this is random. I just wanted to try this out. Yeah, and the rest are random things I just decided to buy. So now I'm gonna, I don't know, put this on. I don't know. So of course Chopper will wear this, but I don't think he will like it, or it's gonna be comfortable. Chopper, it's your birthday, boy. Happy birthday. This is your hat. This is your headband. The record, but okay. Boy, happy birthday to you. I think it's gonna be uncomfortable. Is it uncomfortable, boy? You're so cute. You're so cute. I love you. Happy birthday, Chomper boy. Here's your roasted chicken. Chop, chop, paman yung headband. Jared sa headband. Okay, Corona. Happy birthday, Chum Chum boy. Sige na. Sige na. Eat na, boy. Eat. Ikaming aring iska guest ni Chopper. Should eat naming aling na. Chop. There kaming. Okay ra, hungitan kay birthday man. Okay. Hungitan na to rin. Chop, chop, ali. Uy. He loves bones, so. Here you go, boy. I bought the lasagna for his dessert, so I doubt that he would still eat though. But maybe I'm gonna feed that to him later. Boy, happy birthday, ha? This roasted chicken is delicious. Chopper's favorite. Ketchup, sige na. Eat na. Eat na si Chum Chum, ali na. Chopper won't wear the headband, so I'm just gonna wear it myself. He's done eating and he's insisting to walk. Ana, boy. Happy birthday to Chopper. Lol. Mukbang. Let's eat. Roasted chicken. Oops. Chicken. Oh, it's actually sliced already. I want you to see. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Not bad. As for the lasagna, I don't think I could eat anymore. Maybe I'm gonna save this for later. Cheers to birthday boy. Cheers to the birthday boy. Chop. You're so pretty. Chopper is so pretty. Look at that. A birthday boy. Chopper, look at me. Oh, happy birthday, baby. You're a big boy. Big damulag boy. Pugi-pugi, oy. Oh, grabe ka. Handsome. Birthday boys. Wish would be a long walk. Let's go. Pum, 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 pum. It's gonna rain. Birthday boy, birthday jumper. Uy, tae. And silhouette to. Tingga na re. Picture. Di kita rin ang chop kay. O yan. Ba? Ang tambok na kao, ha? Jogging ako sa hindi mo yan. Pam 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 pam. Chopper, cutie, cutie pie. Kamu ka, Miles? Oo. Yara. Vlog. Hawak ka? Birthday ni Chopper ko man. Ha? Balit manok. Chokes to go. Ha? Diwaya, oy. Nagtunga. So, yan. Ikay mag-jogging kita. Champoy. Ay. I'm gonna be next class today.